What's the meaning of Court of Claims? Court of Claims. Court of Claims.
Court of Claims. Court of Claims. The term Court of Claims generally refers to a specialized court that hears cases involving claims against the government. These cases might include claims related to property damage, personal injury or wrongful death, or breach of contract. The result of a case heard in a court of claims will depend on the specific facts of the case and the relevant laws and regulations governing the claim. In general, however, if the court finds in favor of the claimant, they may be awarded damages or other forms of compensation.